ETA power entry modules with integral circuit breakers significantly reduce mounting and wiring efforts, as well as material planning and storage costs. They combine up to 5 functions in a single component: an appliance inlet, a line filter, an on-off switch, and a resettable overcurrent protection. In addition, they can be optionally equipped with an auxiliary contact, a low voltage trip, or remote trip. Compared to power entry modules with fuses, the circuit breakers of the ETA modules can be easily, safely and quickly reset after an overcurrent trip. System downtimes are limited to an absolute minimum. You can choose between 2 versions: the first version with push-to-reset circuit breakers, or the space-saving version with a circuit breaker switch combination with on-off function. Thanks to screw mounting, all ETA modules sit firmly in the enclosure and withstand even highest pull-out forces of the mains cables. ETA power entry modules make your product safer, more reliable and more economical. Please don't hesitate to get in touch.